Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are breaking down the ICT Farewell Strategy. Okay, it is one of the most complete and powerful frameworks shared within the trading community. Okay, so what exactly is the ICT Farewell Strategy? At its core, it's a method that ties together the most important concepts in ICT's teachings, which are liquidity, displacement, fair value gaps, and market structure, right? So it is designed to give traders a clear roadmap of how to approach the market without falling into confusion or unnecessary setups. Okay. Now, the first pillar of the farewell strategy is liquidity. Very, very important, right? So every move in the market revolves around liquidity. The strategy begins with identifying where liquidity is resting. Okay, identifying where liquidity is resting, right? It could be whether it's above equal highs or below equal lows, you know, or around obvious retail patterns. Institutions always seek liquidity. Institutions always seek liquidity before making a move. So spotting these pools is the foundation of this strategy. Okay. Now, the second element is displacement. All right. Displacement is the sudden, strong move in price that confirms which direction the market is truly heading. So instead of guessing, the strategy teaches you to wait for displacement as proof of intent. This way, you are not entering based on hope, right? You are entering based on confirmation. Okay. So you have to always watch out for that confirmation that tells you that price has found its direction. Okay. Next, we have fair value gaps. After displacement, um, okay, after displacement, the market often leaves behind an imbalance. All right, market often leaves behind an imbalance. Okay, for example, you can see that after this strong price move, there was an imbalance left, right? The imbalance we are talking about is a fair value gap. So the ICT farewell strategy teaches that these gaps are prime areas to look for entries. Okay, price tends to return to these zones before continuing in the intended direction, and you can see that that's exactly what happened after this strong impulsive move. Price went back up, filled this gap. In fact, it went back up to test this breakout trend line before continuing in the original direction. Okay, so that gives traders a clear and logical point of interest. But none of this works without higher time frame context. All right, the farewell strategy emphasizes patience. aligning your trades with the bigger picture. So by analyzing the daily or the 4-hour chart, you gain perspective on where the market is likely heading, and then you refine your entries on the smaller time frames. Okay. Now, how do you apply this in your trading? The steps are simple. Okay. First of all, you need to identify liquidity pools where stops are likely resting. Okay. So once you've identified your liquidity pool, you wait for displacement to confirm which direction the market wants to move. Then you look for a fair value gap created by that displacement. All right. Align your trade with a higher time frame structure before entering. So it's pretty easy, right? What makes the ICT Farewell Strategy so valuable is that it is not just about the technicals, it's also about the mindset. Yes, it teaches you discipline. You know, instead of chasing every single move, you learn to wait for your setup. Instead of reacting emotionally, you wait for the market to show its hand, right? And this is why many traders call it ICT's final gift to the community. It's a complete strategy that not only shows you how to read the charts, but also how to think like a disciplined trader. Okay? So if this breakdown of the ICT farewell strategy has helped you, make sure to click the like button. It helps push this knowledge to more traders who need it. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more videos on smart money concepts and strategies that will sharpen your edge in the market. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.